introduce my E36 to you guys. I've been trying to record this video and I haven't had a chance to because every time I record a video it's very late. So here's the new project. Here's a 99 328 convertible. So this is the last year of the E36 generation, and I believe this was the same year they switched over to the E46, but this was the last year of the convertible E36, at least available in Canada as far as I know, and I purchased one. I used to have a silver E36, which you guys probably saw a couple videos on the channel from, but I sold it and I regret selling it, so I purchased one again. This one here is a year newer, approximately 175,000 kilometers on this thing, so it's quite a bit less than my silver one. But of course, as you may have seen on the channel, I've been recording videos on how I go about fixing it, clean it up, restore it. It's got issues, obviously. The body is in decent condition. I would say it's got rust, obviously, typical E36 rust there. Got some by the antenna, which is gone. And I think the other side quarter has it too, yeah. So we got quarter rust, we got some here. This is the major spot, and I hate this spot. So my plan here is to, grind that down, properly sand it smooth, and restore it properly, make it nice and clean. I did take my front bumper off because I couldn't get this car on a jack without doing it. I can't use the center jack point with the front bumper on. It does have the M3 replica bumper on, so it's in my garage. Other than that, it's a manual, of course. I had to buy a manual. I would never buy an E36 automatic. So yeah, I bought a drop top. I prefer the convertible, actually. I really like the long body style of the convertible, especially when the top is dropped. So if you look at it from a distance, it looks like the body is so long, and I love that. I love the E36 body style. It's simple, it's sleek, it's got the right lines. It's a classic BMW. It's beautiful. There's the 90 you guys usually see on the channel. It's my E36. Got a couple, I guess, upgrades done to it. So it is on lowering springs, Bilstein shocks all around, and it's got the projector lights with the angel eyes, clear corners. Previous owner with these blue turn signals, or white turn signals, I guess, and I hate them. Amber at least is okay. The clear lenses is fine, it's just I hate the white turn signals. It's got the tan interior, and it's got a pile of crap radio. When I say pile, I mean literally the name on the radio is pile. I hate it, but it does the job, and it does have Bluetooth, so I guess no complaints there. There's door panels off right now because I showed you guys, I was repairing my door panel because I got a replacement. So check out that video, of how I got around to fixing it, because the door panel I received was from an older model without the airbag, and this one does have the airbag, so I'm doing a repair on that. Okay, let's get under the hood here. Let me take that out. So this generation 328, I believe, came with the M52 2.8 liter. I just reinstalled my intake because I was working with the power steering. There is a power steering fluid leak, obviously. It's a BMW. What would it be without leaks? So power steering fluid leaking. The clutch is all pretty much done, but I did get a new clutch, and I think on Monday I will be swapping the clutch. I wish I could do that in my garage, but I've got a friend who is willing to assist me with that, and we'll get it done. So yeah, I hope you guys like the videos that are coming from this specific car. There's a lot to do on this car, but it's a good platform. Oh, the other thing is, actually, it's got this little spoiler on the trunk, and it's got the LED tails on there, which I actually really like. I think that's a nice little upgrade. See that spot right there? Right there? That's the actual power steering fluid that's coming out of this car. Besides that, all the Otherwise, for the most part, I mean, it works. Everything is fine. The clutch is done, but it's still drivable, so I can drive it to the mechanic at least. That's a good thing. And other than that, I really like this car. I think it's a beautiful color. This is a pretty rare color. I haven't seen many in this one. I've seen a lot of silvers and yellows and things, but this is a Oriental Blue Metallic. Um, and I find this color to be beautiful, especially when the car is cleaned up. And the car is disgusting right now because that's how I got it. But I wiped down a couple spots and saw it in the sun, and it's gorgeous. What a car. So, yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy the videos that are coming out of this car and subscribe for more content.